Hey guys, Jiven here. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you the easiest method to what to do with poofy Asian hair. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So if you take a look at my hair, you can see that none of my hair is actually sticking downwards. Here, the top, even the back. Essentially, all my hair is sticking out everywhere. So for us Asians, our hair is really straight and coarse, and that makes it really resistant to any hair products or any styling. Our hair also grows perpendicular to the scalp, which means that it grows like this, so it doesn't help at all when we want our hair to grow downwards. And yes, I know this is generalizing all Asians, but there's also Caucasian people that have this kind of hair. But out of everyone, Asian people have the lowest density of hair. So basically, my solution to fix this poofy Asian hair is to simply wear a cap. Unless you're more patient and willing to wait and grow your hair super long, gravity will eventually help pull your hair downwards. But if you personally know that you will not grow a longer hairstyle and you will keep your hair mostly short, then wearing a cap will be the solution for you. So wearing a cap not only helps push your hair downwards, it also protects you from the sun. All the UV rays you see outside actually makes your skin wrinkly, so wearing a cap just protects you from the sun, and this also delays the formation of wrinkles on your face and makes you look younger. As well, there's many different cap options out there, so it's not like you will always wear the same cap over and over again. Right now I'm wearing a champion cap. You know, you could wear a Tommy Hilfiger cap, different colors as well. Now, depending on the color of your cap, you can also match it to different clothing you wear. So if you want to wear a white shirt, black shirt, you know, there's many different options. So yeah, just switch it up every once in a while. Wearing a Puma cap. A Blue Jay cap. This one has no name, just a regular blue and red cap. Black cap. Personally, I prefer just wearing a black cap because it matches most outfits. So yeah, if you're looking to save money, I would just recommend you getting a good black cap, and that could be your only cap you wear. I'm gonna give you a quick close-up on how this actually pushes your hair down. So, as you can see here, my hair is up when I wear the cap. Can you see? It slowly pushes everything down. Same thing on the right side. It's sticking up right now. And it's down. So basically, wearing a cap, if you look from the left and right view, you cannot tell that your hair is sticking up. So I really recommend you to put some water on the side of your hair here if you really want to make it stay down longer. So after putting some water on both sides, you wear your cap, press everything down, make sure everything is pressed down. So after your hair dries and you take off your cap, your hair should stay down. You know, if you don't really want to wear a cap, you can also use a headband. Exercise headbands that people wear like this so that the sweat doesn't go to their eyes. But if you don't want to draw attention to yourself and just want to look normal, wearing a cap is the best way to go. Anyway, I hope this trick will help solve your problems, at least until your hair grows out longer so gravity pulls it downwards. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.